Hello students, welcome to maths class. Today we will finish our topic parabola. Some 2 marks questions left. Today we will finish those questions. Okay, so from this topic you are going to get one 2 marks question, one 7 marks question. In the beginning we did all the 7 marks questions, practice them perfectly. Okay, so now come to the first question. Find the vertex and focus of the given equation. So come on, what is the given equation to you? So given that, given parabola equation, what is that? X square minus 6x minus 6y plus 6 is equal to 0. Already we discussed, whenever x square term is there, x term is there, y term is there, it can be converted into x minus h whole square is equal to something into y minus k form. So that means write all the x terms this side, keep this side and send the remaining terms that side. So x square minus 6x is equal to 6y minus 6. Okay, so next it is x square minus, come on, we can write x minus something whole square form. For that we need x square minus 2x into something. So 2x into, here we have to balance, it is 6x, I have taken 2x, so it is 3. So we need 3 square, so it should be added and deducted. Okay, we cannot only add in mathematics. So 6y minus 6. So from here to here, if you observe, a square minus 2ab plus b square form. So it is x minus 3, isn't it? Whole square, and send this minus 3 square that side. It is 6y minus 6 plus 9, right? 3 square is 9. So x minus 3 whole square is equal to 6y plus 3. Only y should be there, y minus k, isn't it? X minus h whole square is equal to some value into y minus k form. So only y should be there means we have to take 6 outside. Then it is 3 by 6. So is equal to 6 into y plus 1 by 2. Okay, so generally it should be minus form. So that's why we can write this as x minus 3 whole square is equal to 6 into y minus of minus 1 by 2. Now exactly in the form of which form? X minus h whole square is equal to 4a into y minus k form. Okay, so this is your 7th form of the parabola. Totally we got 8 forms in that. This is the 7th form. So if you compare this, what happens to your h value? H is equal to 3 and 4a value is 6. So a is equal to 6 by 4, that is 3 by 2, and k value is minus 1 by 2. Question is asked, find the vertex and focus, right? So you know that vertex formula is vertex is equal to, what is the formula? H comma k. So is equal to 3 comma minus 1 by 2. Okay, next you take your focus, right? So what is your focus? Whenever it is the equation, our focus formula is h comma k plus a is the formula for focus. I said by heart all the 8 forms, right? So they can ask any question, 2 marks question, only vertex focus is asked, that will be for 2 marks. Suppose everything is asked, that will comes under the 7 marks question. So you have to by heart all the formulas of 8 forms, okay, of the parabola. So h, what is h? It is 3. K plus a, k is minus 1 by 2, right? Plus a is plus 3 by 2. So is equal to 3 comma, taking the LCM, 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 by 2, cancel. So 3, 1. You got your vertex and focus. That's all for 2 marks. Okay. Now come to the second question. What is your second question? Find the position of the point with respect to the parabola y square is equal to 6x. 3 points are given to us. So we have to find out whether these points are lies on the parabola or lies inside the parabola, lies outside the parabola. How we will find? There is one formula is there. If S11 is equal to 0, then the point lies on the parabola. S11 is negative, less than 0, it lies inside. S11 is greater than, it lies outside the parabola. So first, what is the given parabola equation? Given that. So if we want to write in notation, right, so it is represented by S, just like in circle equation is represented by S, no? So here also your parabola equation is represented by S. So S is equal to, what is your equation in the question? It is y square minus 6x. So now you take S11 notation. S11 means in the given equation, wherever x is there, you have to take x1. Wherever y is there, you have to take y1. So it is y1 square minus 6x1. Okay. Now come to the first point. What is the first point? P x1 y1 is given as 6, minus 6. 6, minus 6 is given to you. So find out your S11. S11 is equal to y1 square minus 6x1. So y1 is minus 6. Isn't it? Square is there. Minus 6 into x1 is 6. Okay. So it is 36 minus 36 is equal to 0. So S11 is 0 means point lies on the parabola, right? If S11 is equal to 0, the condition is point lies on the parabola. Okay. Now take your second point. What is your second point? P x1 y1 is given as 0, 1. So come on, take your S11 now. S11 is equal to, what is the formula? y1 square minus 6x1. Okay. So y1, what is y1? 1 square minus 6. x1 is 0, right? So it is 1, it is greater than 0, positive, right? Therefore, whenever S11 is greater than 0, point lies, right, outside, outside of parabola. Okay, that is the condition. It is just like formula you have to remember. Now come to the third one. What is your third question? It is point is 2, 3. Locate the position of the point 2, 3 with respect to the parabola y square is equal to 6x. So your point P x1 y1 is equal to 2, 3 now. Okay. So find out your S11. S11 is equal to, what is the formula? y1 square minus 6x1. Okay. So y1, it is 2 square minus 6 into 3. Okay. So is equal to, isn't it? So y1 square is equal to minus 6x1. Observe carefully. This is your x1, this is your y1. So it is 3 square minus 6 into 2, right, is equal to 9 minus 12 is equal to minus 3. Minus 3 means which is less than 0. Okay. So if your S11 is less than 0, then point lies inside the parabola. Point lies, right, inside the parabola. Okay, so these are the two questions. Okay, now come to the third question. Find the vertex, focus, directrix and axis of y square is equal to 16x. So come to the third question. What is the given equation is y square is equal to 16x. Okay, so is in the form of which form? Y square is equal to 4ax. First form, isn't it? First parabola form. So their vertex is 0, 0, isn't it? And axis is nothing but x-axis. This is your y-axis and here you will have your focus, right? And same distance you will have your directrix also. Okay, so now if you compare y square is equal to 16x with y square is equal to 4ax, what is your 4a? 4a is equal to 16. So a is equal to 16 by 4 is equal to 4. So question is find the vertex, focus, directrix, axis. So what is the vertex? Origin is vertex. So come on, first we will write vertex. Vertex, what is it? It is denoted by a 0, 0. Next we have to find the focus, right? So focus S is equal to a, 0. We got a is equal to 4, 0. Okay, next you take directrix. Okay, what is your directrix? If you observe, your directrix equation is x is equal to minus a. I said the directrix maintains the same distance from the vertex as the distance from focus. So vertex to focus the distance is a. Same vertex to directrix the distance is a only, but it is left side of y-axis. That's why we have taken that line equation as x is equal to minus a. Bring that side. It is x plus a is equal to 0. So directrix equation is, what is that? It is x plus a is equal to 0. So implies, what is that? X plus 4 is equal to 0. Finally axis is, what is the axis? It is nothing but x-axis. X-axis means its equation is always y is equal to 0. So y is equal to 0 is the axis of the given parabola. Okay, so this is your focus, vertex and equation of directrix and axis of the given parabola. So now come to your fourth question. It is homework. Find the vertex and the focus of x square is equal to minus 4y. Okay, x square is equal to minus 4y means how you will get your diagram? So your diagram will be like this, right? Here you will have your focus, here you will have your directrix. Okay, so just compare what is the given equation. Given equation is, its equation is x square is equal to minus 4y. Compare it. X square is equal to minus 4ay. Okay, so minus 4a is equal to minus 4. So implies your a is equal to 1. Okay, so come on, what is your vertex for this? Vertex is 0, 0 only, right? So vertex for this, whenever x square is equal to minus 4ay, first 4 types, x square, y square is equal to 4ax, y square is equal to minus 4ax, x square is equal to 4ay, x square is equal to minus 4ay. All these 4 forms, the vertex is 0, 0 only. Okay, so vertex is equal to 0 comma 0. Okay, and focus is, so come on, how we can take focus? S is equal to, there your focus is, in the previous problem your focus is on x axis, so only x coordinate will be there, y coordinate is 0, that's why we have taken a comma 0. Now your focus is on the y axis and below the x axis. Below the x axis means y coordinates will be negative and point is on y axis. Whenever point is in y axis, its x coordinate will be 0. Point is on y axis and below the x axis, so it is minus a, 0 comma minus a, that is 0 comma minus 1. Okay, so these are the problems. So we solved 4 problems. First one, find the vertex and focus of this one. So I said whenever in the equation x square term is there, x term is there, y term is there, try to convert into x minus h whole square is equal to some value into y minus k form. For that, first you send the y term and constant term to that side, and this side try to write x minus something whole square form. So at the end it will comes in the form of x minus h whole square is equal to 4a into y minus k. Okay, with that you will know your a value, h value, k value. Once we got these 3 values, we can write all the formulas: vertex, focus, directrix, axis, isn't it? In all the 8 methods, this is the procedure. First of all, we have to convert the given equation into any one of 8 forms. Okay. After that, you find out your h value, k value, a value. Once we got these 3 values, just substitute in the formulas. Okay. Next one is locating the position of the point, whether the point is on the parabola, outside the parabola or inside the parabola. For that, if S11 is equal to 0, lies on the parabola, S11 is greater than 0 outside and S11 is less than 0 inside the parabola. Okay. So next third question, actually third question, y square is equal to 16x. It is of the first case of the parabola, y square is equal to 4ax. Compare and find out your a. Right, then we can write our vertex, focus, directrix, axis. First 4 forms are very easy in parabola, isn't it? So next 4 forms are little bit tough. That too, if you practice it, you can get next 4 forms also. Okay, and this fourth question is parabola equation is given as x square is equal to minus 4y, right? That is fourth case. That one is first case, this one is fourth case. So it is of the form x square is equal to minus 4ay. So with that you will get your a value. Once we get a value, we can write vertex and focus. Okay. So with this we will finish our parabola. Okay. So actually parabola, from this topic you are going to get one long question, one 2 marks question. And what is the definition of a parabola? I said SP by PM is equal to 1. That means it is nothing but the curve made by a point which moves such that the distances of that point with the fixed point and fixed line will maintain a constant ratio. That ratio is called eccentricity. E, it is denoted by the letter small e, and if E is equal to 1, it is parabola. Next, if E is greater than 0, less than 1, it is ellipse. So next we will go to the next curve, right? Next topic of the conic section, ellipse, in next class. Okay, so that's all for today. Have a nice day.